Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to create this rope French headband. So let's get started. So comb your hair thoroughly so that there are no tangles like I always do, and then start combing your hair backwards like so. Now take a zigzag headband like this one. It has a longer side and a shorter side. These headbands are easily available in nearby markets. So put this headband keeping the longer side touching your forehead like so, and then just slide it upwards into your hair and keeping it tight so that it creates a beautiful design. As you can see here, it creates like a French braid already. So that's the trick to do this hairstyle. Now I'm gonna push this headband towards the front just a little bit and stretch some hair from the top, and this will create some volume in the front so your hair will look more voluminous. And then I'm just gonna smooth out the rest of the hair with the help of a comb. Now take a chunk of hair from the nape of your neck. The portion should not be very thin, it should be quite this much thick, and then split it into two equal sections. We'll call it inner section and this one the outer section. So now start twisting the inner section towards the outer section and cross it under the outer section. Again twist the inner section towards the outer section and cross it under the outer section. So we'll keep on doing this to get a rope braid. Now tie with an elastic when you reach the end, and then take the braid and place it right on top of the headband like so. Just keep it towards the front so that the headband is not visible, and then I'm taking the braid to the other side like so, and then fixing it with the help of a tic-tac pin. Make sure the tic-tac pin is not visible from your hair. Now once again comb your hair to tame the flies and give the finished look. So that's it, that's all you need to do. This is the trick to get a rope French braid very easily with this headband. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by hitting this round image on the screen, and I'll see you soon. Bye.